Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn on online status on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on online status on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. After opening your Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the settings option available for us. Just below the save messages option, tap on settings and you will be landed on this panel or interface. Let's scroll down a little bit and you can find the privacy and security option just below the chat settings. Now let's tap on the privacy and security, and over here scroll down a little bit and you can see the last seen and online status again for us, or last seen and online. Just below the phone number, tap on last seen and online. And over here guys, you can see I had also turned off my online status on Telegram, and by doing that, by selecting the nobody option over here, now in order to turn on the online status on Telegram, either tap on the everybody button over here or my contacts option over here, and if you want to show everybody your online status, then tap on everybody. If you don't want to, then tap on my contacts only, and only your contacts will be able to know either you're online or not. So with that being said guys, choose it according to you and I'll be tapping on the everybody. So after doing that, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen and that option will be saved, whereas your online status on Telegram will be turned on. And guys, this is how to turn on online status on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.